Hi! You're probably wondering where I've been. Just came back from the thrift store and it's exciting because I've been coming up with ideas with clothes and stuff, like outfit combinations and stuff, and then yeah.
Tomorrow for sure.
Guys, oh my god, guess what? So I was like just watching YouTube, but then I was like still thinking about, like what my outfits, what I have right there. Don't mind the mannequin head and my wig and everything else. But anyways, yes, outfits in there. They're put together, but they still need to be revamped. You know, they need to be fixed or tailored, whatever you want to, so they can fit my style, because I am a big boy. I was thinking about all of that, all of the clothes that I need to get fixed and stuff. It's like I think I need to get a sewing machine, and I went up to my mom, and she said, I think that there's one over there, and I'm like, where? And she's like, I think we have one. So we went and checked, and long and behold, we have one now. I'm so excited. And it came with a pedal, and it came with everything. It came with a needle as well, and then it came with some yarn in there. What is the terms? Yeah, but I'm excited because this is gonna be my first time learning how to do this. And
Several days later.